Good morning, children. In last class, we had read about of Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are going to start our remaining part of this chapter. Today our topic is Martin Luther King Jr. Though slavery was banned in USA, the blacks were still treated very badly. They were not given the rights as the whites. जब यूएसए में स्लेवरी बैन हो गया, गुलामी प्रथा, तो उनके साथ बहुत बुरा व्यवहार होने लगा ब्लैक्स लोग के साथ। उन्हें उनका राइट्स नहीं मिलता था जितने वाइट्स लोग को मिलता था। देयर वेयर सेपरेट सीट्स इन बसेस एंड ट्रेन्स फॉर ब्लैक एंड वाइट। बस और ट्रेन में सेपरेट सीट रहता था ब्लैक और वाइट के लिए। द blacks were not allowed to enter certain places like restaurants, parks, etc. Martin Luther King was the person who fought against this evil practice. He was born on January 15, 1929 at Atlanta in the United States of America. He was a black American Baptist minister. Being a black, he was also ill-treated at every step. उनके ब्लैक होने के कारण, काले होने के कारण उन्हें हर जगह मतलब अच्छा व्यवहार उनके साथ नहीं होता था। ही वॉज ए ग्रेट लीडर। ही ट्रेवल टू डिफरेंट कंट्रीज लेक्चरिंग एंड मीटिंग सिविल एंड रिलीजियस लीडर्स। इन 1959 ही केम टू इंडिया टू नो मोर अबाउट द सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड बाय महात्मा गांधी। 1959 ईस्वी में वो इंडिया आए और सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट के बारे में महात्मा गांधी से जानकारी ली। ही वेंट टू पे हिज होमेज टू गांधी जी। ही वॉज डीपली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय गांधी जी प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस। बैक इन द कंट्री ही फॉलोड द सेम प्रिंसिपल, द पाथ ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस, डिमांडिंग इक्वल स्टेट्स फॉर द ब्लैक्स इन यूएसए। थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ब्लैक्स ज्वाइंड दिस मूवमेंट। In August 1963, about 200,000 blacks joined him on his march to Washington. Finally, the government passed a law granting equality to the blacks in all spheres of life. Still, in some states, this social injustice in education, employment, public places, etc. continued with the blacks. In Alabama, the blacks were not allowed to vote. अल्बामा में ब्लैक्स लोग को वोट देने का भी अधिकार नहीं था। When the blacks protest, they were beaten by the police. Martin Luther was also arrested several times, but their protest continued. Soon a law was passed where the blacks were also allowed to वोट। जब कानून पास हुआ तो उन्हें वोट देने का अधिकार मिल गया। मार्टिन लूथर किंग वाज गिवन ए नोबेल प्राइज फॉर पीस फॉर हिज एफर्ट्स इन 1964। उन्हें नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला था पीस के लिए, शांति के लिए। हाउएवर, लाइक महात्मा गांधी, ही वाज आल्सो डेड इन 1968 बाय वाइट अमेरिकन इन मेम्फिस के द्वारा उन्हें मारा गया 1968 ईस्वी में। नेक्स्ट क्या है? मदर टेरेसा। एजेंस गोनेक्सा बोजाक्शू वाज बोर्न इन यूगोस्लाविया ऑन 27 अगस्त 1910। फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड शी वाज वेरी रिलीजियस। बचपन में वो क्या थी? बहुत ही धार्मिक थी। एट द एज ऑफ 18, एजेंस ज्वाइंड द लोरेटो नन्स एंड रीच्ड दार्जिलिंग, India in 1929. The Loreto nuns are trained to be teachers. So Sister Teresa, this was her new name. उनका न्यू नेम कहाँ पड़ा? दार्जिलिंग में, जब वो नन बनी थी। Became a teacher, जब वो टीचर बन गई। For 19 years, Sister Teresa worked as a teacher at the Loreto Convent, Kolkata. She was also appointed the principal of this school. One day, Sister Teresa saw a person dying on the pavement. He was not being attended by anyone. She was highly grieved. She felt as if God was asking for her to help the poor people in the city. On that day, she left the convent armed with faith in God and love for the poor, and chose the path which she felt God had called her for the poor and chose her for. With the help of some people, she started a new order called Missionaries of Charity in 1950. उन्हें लगता था कि गॉड ने, भगवान ने उन्हें गरीबों की सेवा करने के लिए यहाँ बुलाया है. At first, she learnt nursing and started a school at Moti Jheel slum at Kolkata. Mother Teresa started her missionary work with 4 sisters. Today, the missionaries of charity have spread throughout the world. It has opened charitable schools, home for lepers and dying sick people, orphanage, dispensary, etc. Mother Teresa received many awards for her selfless service to the poor and the needy. Magsaysay Award, the Bharat Ratna and Jawaharlal Nehru Award. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. She was also a recipient of the Magsaysay Award, the Bharat Ratna and the Jawaharlal Nehru Award. After a brief illness, Mother Teresa died on 5th September 1997 at कोलकाता. उन्हें बहुत सारी नोबेल प्राइज भी मिली थी और उनकी मृत्यु कब हुई? 5 सितंबर 1997 ईस्वी में कोलकाता में. नेक्स्ट क्या? सरोजनी नायडू. Sarojini Naidu was born in 1879 in Hyderabad. She was a famous poetess. She was also known as the Nightingale of India. Some of her famous works are Golden Threshold, Bird of Time and Broken Wing. At that time, the Indian freedom movement was in an active move. She became a participant in the freedom movement. वो आज़ादी की लड़ाई में भी पार्टिसिपेट की थी. She was a great orator. Her fiery speeches awakened the patriotic zeal among the Indians. In 1925, she became the first woman to become the leader of the Indian National Congress. पहली भारतीय महिला थी जो लीडर बनी थी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की. She was a great activist and was arrested and imprisoned several times for her political activity. She was the first woman leader in the struggle for Indian independence. Sarojini Naidu died in 1949. उनकी मृत्यु कब हुई? 1949 को. So children, this chapter is finished. Thank you.